In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable password protection on your Wix site. Securing specific pages on your website adds an extra layer of privacy, ensuring that only visitors with the correct credentials can access them. This can be particularly beneficial for pages containing sensitive information or exclusive content meant for select users. Let's dive right into the process to make sure your site has this added security feature. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard, the central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you should be able to see various options tailored for different functionalities of your site. Among these options, look for Settings. It's typically on the left-hand side of your screen, nestled between other menu items. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a page with a myriad of tabs that cater to different functionalities, including permissions and site preferences. Now, from the Settings menu, what we're looking for is the option labeled Password Protection. Go ahead and select this. Access to this section is crucial because it allows you to manage how and where password protection is applied across your website. This step is especially important if you want to guard any sensitive areas of your site that you might not want the general public to view. Once you're in the password protection settings, you'll need to enable the feature. Doing this is relatively straightforward. Just a matter of flipping a little toggle to turn it on. If this is your first time using this feature, the toggle switch may already be set to off, and it will need a quick click to activate it. After the toggle is switched, you'll be prompted to set a password that visitors will need to enter. This is a critical moment in the setup process because the password you choose should be both strong and memorable. Ideally, it should be a mix of letters, numbers, and possibly symbols to enhance security. It's also a good idea to avoid using any obvious information, such as sequential numbers or easily guessed words. Once you've decided on a robust password, input it into the designated field. Double check your spelling here to make sure there are no typing errors. A mistake could complicate things later when you or your authorized users attempt to access the protected pages. Finally, remember to save your changes. This confirmation solidifies your selections, ensuring the password protection is active and ready to do its job. Don't navigate away from the page until you see a confirmation message or indicator that your settings have been successfully updated. By now, your Wix site should be equipped with the password protection feature, allowing you to rest easy knowing your content is safe from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully